Virtual reality technology was brought to the program as an idea from our dean, Dr. Jeremy Welsh, for the College of Medical Science. Virtual reality allows our students to be immersed in medical scenarios during their first year in PA school, which provides them the opportunity to utilize what they're learning in the classroom portion and apply it to patients in real-life scenarios. So our students put on the Oculus goggles and have two handheld devices that they hold in each hand. In the actual medical scenario, are walking into the, say, emergency room setting or the ER room where their patient is, and they have to go in, they have to physically talk to the patient, they have to assess the patient, so they have to evaluate, do a head-to-toe physical exam, and then they also are able to order labs, diagnostic tests, consult various healthcare colleagues, get reports like chest x-ray reports, CT reports, and their antibiotic that they need, or the fluids they need, or their pain medication. It's been overwhelmingly positive because it allows that equity for each student to be immersed in the scenario, as well as our faculty and program. We really hope this can continue to be integrated and possibly in other forms.